time. All the staff that are setting up the stages are making sure that we come out here early, get everything squared away. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Peter, owner of Rooftop Shooting Range, and we had an awesome action-packed day filled with competition shooting. So we ran our 4th PCSL rifle match out here. It's September, it's a lot cooler now, so everybody's a lot more excited and a little bit more enthused with the cooler weather, but everybody was safe. We had 52 shooters shooting 4 different stages that were already preset by our stage designers, and really the purpose of these matches is to engage shooters from a relatively small community to come out and test their skills and ultimately become the best defenders of society. And in a way that motivates us to come prepared, or better prepared, for our next match, which we'll be hosting here in about a month in October, and we plan to host it every month going forward. Beyond the rifle match, we'll be hosting a PCSL pistol match, likely starting in Q1 of next year, and then we'll ultimately transition to PCSL 2-gun, which involves shooting both the rifle and pistols. So I know a lot of folks are really excited about that. Our range is located here in Trenton in North Dallas, and we look forward to having y'all come out to shoot with us sometime.